What's up guys, welcome back to this new video today. I bought myself recently the Lego Technic Corvette. I bought it yesterday and it arrived today. I will start building it in some minutes and give you a little interpretation of the building process. I know I didn't do that a lot, or didn't do that on my channel, but I was inspired by a good friend of mine and I thought, why shouldn't I try it out? So guys, this is what you're building from bag 1 till bag 4. I could have finished the set in some minutes. I will do that soon when after recording this video. In bag 4 we installed the trunk and the engine covering. It was a fun build. Yeah, these are stickers. Oh, and yeah, I almost forgot to mention the doors. We built the the motor thing here. The doors, they are stable, and yeah, but you have to push them a bit in when you're putting them in place. It's a little bit tricky because at the doors just hold it by this piece, and here it's connected to the door, and and the trunk, it's just a little thing here so you can see the steering. And yeah, that's all about from now, and I will build the last bag, and then I will show you the rest of the set. So guys, this is the finished set from the Technic Corvette. I know I should have showed you it earlier, but never mind. I wanted to buy this set first when I heard it would be released. Then I was a bit skeptical about it because of I think it was because of the scale, I don't know. And now I bought it. The building process was very good. Sure, there were some new pieces, like the pieces that are holding the fake engine in place. And the functions are the same as the other Technic cars, like the Camaro in the background and the Mustang. I will talk about the Mustang in some minutes or in another video, because the Mustang set has usually 2 pullback motors in it, but I did something special with it. I modded it. But yeah, something about later or in another video. So to the functions, the set has a hand of God, you can open the trunk and then put the steering knob in to store it away and put it on display, the set. Just trying to put it in an angle you can see it. The doors are kinda, they are a bit wobbly because of the usage from the pieces. It's just hold in by this piece here. And yeah, also the long tile slope, whatever, can fall off. Sometimes it fell off 2 times, I think, now in my case. And yeah, this is the back. All details, by the way, are stickers, no brick build things here on the model. I think for the exhaust, rear lights, and front lights, there was no good technique for it, and yeah, that's, I think, why they choose to sticker all pieces. The rear wing looks nice, and yeah, and the motor engine bay, you can open it and you can see it drive when the wheels are turning. So yeah, that's all what I can show you about this set. Should I show you that now or in another video? Nah, okay, it's kinda double review right now, or something special. The Mustang has usually 2 pullbacks in it, I said before. But you might wonder why it looks like this right now on the table. Maybe you can see it here. I modified it. And how? I bought a second copy of the Technic next gen Camaro that is sitting there in the back of the video in front of the message board. And then I took the bodywork and stuff from the Mustang and put it on the Camaro chassis and stuff. And I mean, I'm very proud of it because, yeah, I know Lego did 2 pullbacks in the set. Why? I don't know. But it's fine how they did it. And that's the reason why I modified my version of it. Yeah, I mean, when I have to be careful with steering. Sometimes it's getting here in between of the panel and stuff. But it's just the pieces from the next gen Camaro used in it, and the motor and stuff is the same. And yeah, I mean, the original set has 2, just 1 seat in it, and I could fit 2 in it. I just took the same parts that I used for the first seat and put it in on the other side. And to modify it, it was a little challenge. I mean, the rear of it was the easiest part, I think, or I don't know, because I took the instructions from the Camaro to build or modify my version of the Mustang, and it turned out very good. I mean, sure, I will flip the rear wheels around after this review because they're looking out of the wheel arches, but yeah, I think I like this look a bit. I don't know, because Mustangs have wider rears at the back, I think. I don't know. And yeah, what I did with the original pieces, or the rest of pieces from the Camaro, I parted the set out and put it into my parts unit, and the front wheels from the Mustang and the back wheels from the Camaro, I put them in my inventory. I mean, I put it up there in the thing, in the box, and yeah, stored it away. So I think I'm finished for the review today. Yeah, I mean, a bit special, not a usual review like always. I mean, first my idea was just to show you the Corvette, but then I thought, come on, why wouldn't I show you my modification of the Mustang? And yeah, then I could erase something from my list of review or two, so I could put something from my list away from the reviews. The other stuff from 2024, the rest of it I will show you in some other videos. Maybe they're kinda delayed because some stuff that is going on right now, and yeah. I hope you liked it. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and we see us in the next video. And let me know what you think about my modification of the Mustang set, by the way, in the comments. So, we see us in the next video. Bye!